In uncertain times like these, it's easy to worry about money. But guess what? There's a lot we can do to not just get by, but really succeed. Today, we're going on a journey to show you how to take control of your finances and make your dreams a reality. We'll share simple steps to help you get from where you are now to where you want to be financially. Whether it's finding hidden chances or making smart choices, this journey is all about making your financial future brighter, step by step. Passive income source. Want to know a cool secret to boosting your cash flow without hitting the books again or diving back into college? It's all about getting into the game of passive income. It's one kind of making money in your sleep. Whether it's getting some cash from rental properties, earning through ads on your social media pages, or selling digital products online, passive income is your low-key side hustle that doesn't need you to clock in and out every day. Sure, setting it all up might take a bit of elbow grease and brainstorming at the start, but once you get it rolling, you can sit back a bit more and let your new income streams do their thing alongside your day job. Check for current employee benefits. Guess what? Lots of companies out there are doing more than just handing out paychecks. They're offering some pretty sweet perks to help their employees save some serious cash. From helping out with healthcare to live more affordably, these benefits can be a game changer for your wallet. Plus, with retirement and healthcare savings in the mix, life just gets a bit more comfy. Thinking of diving deeper into what goodies are up for grabs? A casual chat with your HR could open up a whole new world of money-saving magic. Earn a certification. You can level up in your career and maybe catch the eye of your boss for all the right reasons. Getting a professional certification could be your golden ticket. The cool part? You can dive into most of these programs online on your own time. There's a whole world of websites where you can sign up, learn some new tricks, and snag that certification. Take a peek at what certifications are out there for your job area. Think about grabbing one to give your career that extra oomph. And hey, who doesn't like the sound of possibly earning more dough? Plus, flashing that shiny new certification on your resume could swing open doors to opportunities you've been eyeing. Ask for a raise. Another strategy to perhaps improve your existing salary is to ask for a raise or promotion. It could be fair to request a raise from your current employer if you have been there for more than a year and are performing well at your job duties. Consider applying for an available position at your company if it would be a promotion for you as well. Your employer may see your interest in career advancement as a sign of your dedication, which may help you get promoted to a more senior position. Cut your expenses. Looking to maximize your savings account? Here's a little secret. Start snipping those expenses wherever you can spot them. That fancy dinner spot you love? Maybe save it for special occasions. And all those impulse buys and credit card splurges? Time to rein them in. The trick is to tackle the big expenses head on. The game plan is simple. Swap out the pricey stuff for options that are kinder to your wallet, setting you up for some sweet long-term saving. Oh, and for an extra savvy move, consider carpooling with your buddies or coworkers instead of defaulting to Uber or Lyft rides all the time. Start a side business. Starting a side hustle could be your ticket to that sweet extra income. And the best part? You don't need to pour a ton of time or money into it to get started. Got a hobby that others might dig? Why not make some money off it? If you've got a knack for snapping great photos, consider offering your skills for client shoots. Or if you're the word wizard, freelance writing could fill your weekends with cash as well as joy. And you can also think about taking up babysitting or pet sitting. Who knew your love for furry friends or your patience with kids could pad your pockets? Modify your tax withholdings. Tweaking the amount of tax taken out can give you a nice bump in your take-home pay come the next payday. But hold up. Before you go all in, keep in mind that you still have to settle up with Uncle Sam at tax time. To navigate this tax juggling act like a pro, chat with a financial whiz or someone from HR at work. They'll help you figure out the best move for your wallet. Invest a portion of your budget. Now, investments can be a bit like a choose-your-own-adventure book. You've got long-term stuff like bonds and systematic investment plans, SIP, perfect for the patient types. But as you level up your investing game, you might want to spice things up with some real estate, debt financing, or even dip your toes into the wild world of cryptocurrency. The trick? Diversify that investment mix like a boss. Not only does it boost your chances of scoring some sweet tax breaks, but it also sets you up for a smoother ride in the wild roller coaster that is the market. Listen up, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're finding these tips useful, and subscribe to stay updated on more content like this. Rent your vacation home. Renting out your spare pad is like hitting the jackpot for extra cash. Renting out those unused homes is like finding money in your couch cushions. It's there, just waiting for you to grab it. You can team up with real estate pros to handle all the formalities of renting out your place for a small fee. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, you could go the Airbnb route and list your pad for short-term stays. Especially if your spot is a hotspot for tourists, you could be raking in the dough faster than you can say vacation vibes. So, dust off that spare key and let's turn your unused space into a money-making machine. Sell your handcrafts. Hey, craft lovers! Have you ever thought about turning your creative talents into cash? Well, listen up, because selling your handmade goodies on sites like Etsy could be your secret way to earn extra money. Whether you're a pro at knitting cozy scarves or you whip up stunning jewelry pieces in your spare time, there's a market out there waiting to snap up your unique creations. The best part? You're the boss. You get to call the shots on everything from design to pricing, giving you the freedom to grow your side hustle at your own pace. Teach a course. Did you know that you can make some extra cash while you're sharing your expertise? Well, buckle up, because teaching workshops, online courses, or classes could be your next big thing. Imagine recording some killer lectures, slapping them up online, and watching the dough roll in. Or how about offering one-on-one sessions to eager learners who want to soak up your wisdom like a sponge? Sounds pretty sweet, right? If you've got the credentials and know-how in your field, you're not just sharing knowledge, you're boosting your street cred too. So why not spread your wings, share your skills, and watch those dollar signs start dancing? Sell your used items. Need a quick fix for your empty wallet? Time to raid your closets and cash in on all those unused goodies lying around. Think about it. That old guitar you never play, those designer shoes collecting dust, they could be your waypoint to some extra cash. And the best part, you've got options. Whether it's knocking up friends and family, hosting a yard sale, or cozying up to consignment stores, there's no shortage of ways to offload your stuff for some green. Promote products with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be your new source of income. You promote stuff online, and every time someone clicks and buys using your special link, cha-ching, you get paid. It's like getting a commission for spreading the word about cool products and services. You can do it in your free times during your Netflix binge, or even while waiting for your latte at the cafe. No fancy degrees or big bucks required. Just a bit of hustle and a whole lot of potential for some serious cash flow. In order to maintain open communication with your audience, don't forget to reveal your affiliate status. Invest in stocks. Time to step into the thrilling world of stocks and watch your earning potential skyrocket. Do a bit of digging, maybe watch a few finance videos on YouTube, and start considering which stocks. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Don't put all your investment in one stock. Diversify like a boss by investing in different industries, markets, and types of stocks. It's like building a financial safety net that'll catch you if one stock takes a nosedive. Dropship online products. Dropshipping is simple. Set up shop online, pick out some killer products, and when someone hits that buy now button, your supplier will handle the rest. No storage fees, no upfront costs, just pure profit. Before you dive in head first, start slow and steady. Get the hang of the basics, test the waters, and watch your empire grow. With each sale, your earning potential skyrockets, paving the way to hitting those financial goals faster. Dropshipping is as flexible as it gets. Manage your store whenever and wherever, fitting it snugly into your busy schedule. Remember, the key to financial success is not just in knowing what to do, but in taking action. The golden rule in personal finance, which I mentioned earlier, is none other than investing in yourself. This singular act not only increases your value, but also opens doors to opportunities you never knew existed. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these tips do you think will make the biggest difference in your financial journey? Drop a comment below to let us know. And if you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our next video.